An auto attendant is a virtual receptionist in the cloud that presents each caller with a set of options for routing their own call to a person, a voice mailbox, a team of people, or a recorded message. More companies than ever are adopting an auto attendant, as it is a line of defense that can prevent disruptive and annoying robocalls getting through to staff. When ProLinePBX's auto attendant is set to answer your business's incoming calls, a caller is presented with an intro greeting followed by a menu prompt. The menu prompt announces destinations and the associated key press or presses for getting to each destination. For example, pressing 2 could route to a ring group or to a queue of customer service staff. In ProLinePBX, the dial pad menu under Automated Attendants is where you define or edit the destinations for different caller key presses. You can click the gear icon on the right to enable or disable dial by extension number. You can also define what happens when no key is pressed or when an unassigned key is pressed. You can optionally define one or more keys that are not announced in the menu prompt. These are also referred to as hidden keys. An example of this is a key press that lets employees remotely access and manage their voicemail. ProLinePBX allows you to define more than just one greeting. For example, you can have an intro greeting for business hours, one for nights and weekends, and a different one for holidays. Intro greetings are associated with ProLinePBX timeframes. Timeframes are used to dictate which intro greeting to play when. Looking at ProLinePBX's organization management area, we can see 3 examples of timeframes: work hours, after hours. The best practice is to select always for after hours, and holidays. One approach is to create a single time frame for all the holidays on which your business will be closed for the coming year. Then you can record a general closed for the holiday intro greeting for all holidays. Alternatively, you can record a holiday-specific greeting in advance of each holiday. Note that we have selected 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. as the time range for each holiday. To manage intro greetings for an auto attendant, click on the speaker icon to the right of intro greetings. Here, you can edit or delete existing greetings. You can also record new greetings. In this example, we are adding a new greeting that will be associated with holidays. You can either upload a pre-recorded audio file from a local file on your computer, or you can have ProLinePBX call you so that you can record the intro greeting from your phone. The last step is to make sure the timeframes are in place and are in the right order for your auto attendant. Under Users, uncheck Hide System Users at the bottom if it is checked. Then, click on your auto attendant user. Click on the Answering Rules tab. You can arrange the order of the timeframes by clicking on the left side double arrows and dragging a timeframe up or down. Timeframes with specific times or dates should have the highest priority. In our example, the holidays timeframe should be first, as it is for specific dates. Work hours should be second, as this timeframe is for specific hours during specific days of the week. After hours should be last, as it is the always rule that is overridden by more narrowly defined timeframes above it.